Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the information maintenance system calls. What are the related information that we can share to the operating systems and the users? There are some system calls which are specific for servicing the purpose of changing information to the user and the operating system. Most systems have a system call to return the date and time currently for the operating system. Other systems may require to change informations like the number of user, version of the operating system, or the amount of free available memory. Now this information can be done in step by step. And there are many system calls which can do that. A get process attribute, set process attribute, like get file and set file attributes are the system calls which can control the information maintenance. Now the operating system wants to store all the information about the processes and the system calls that are access to information these processes. This information is then done by the interrupt vector to put it by in the vector-like series in an array structure. This array structure is then passed to the operating system and transfer the control to the invoking interpreter to interpret the information about that system. This information can be a detailed and logged information too about the operating system. The information maintenance is of crucial importance to the operating system as it can contain various detailed information about the transferring about user and the user interfaces. That is all for the information maintenance system call. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.